Resolving the institutional challenges that have led to many criminal investigations and a huge case backlog in the judicial system was the main area of discussion during the coordination workshop held under the theme, Effective Coordination for Improved Criminal Justice Delivery. While addressing the officials from different branches of the justice law and order sector, Chief Justice Bart Katurebe urged investigators and prosecutors to think of innovative ways of mitigating the challenges they face before the public loses trust in the system.
But it's important for society that every crime is investigated. Because if you have one murder unsolved, another murder unsolved, 3, 4, 5 murders unsolved, society goes up. And I think we have all seen it, what's happening. Society just gets ruffled.
Recent figures show an increase in the number of cases registered, which also corresponds with an exponential increase in cases that remain unresolved. The latest cases in 2016 show that total cases were 243,000, those taken to court were 60,000, convictions were 17,000, those pending in court were 32,000. In 2017, total cases increased to 252,000, those taken to court were 66,000, convictions increased to 18,000, while those pending in court increased from 32,000 to 36,000.
Lack of ethics and integrity among the officers in both sectors. Failure to handle exhibits properly and to store them.
Leaders of the police, yes, invest in controlling riots and so on, but at the end of the day, even that person you arrest on a riot scene, to get a successful prosecution, you need the evidence that will pin him down.
In order to reduce the case backlog and improve on the rate of case resolution, different alternatives like the reprieve for suspects, plea bargaining and use of synchronized automated systems to eliminate missing police files were suggested.
And you know, when I was in the CID, I kept telling CID officers, if you are investigating a case and the side of the suspects gives you money in the form of a bribe, you are finished.
The Directorate of Public Prosecution currently employs 600 staff, which falls far short of the required 1,800. This has adversely affected the rate at which the Directorate is able to handle the cases that are referred to it. To apprehend a suspect before a trial court, it may require an investigative officer, an arresting officer and a prosecutor, but sometimes they don't just work together. But with the increasing urban crime and the need for increased funding, it may be a wake-up call. Andranitwe, NTV, Kampala.